Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Muhammad Akmal Alzama dan teman saya.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Saad Murilitua Panggabean.
Saya Muhammad Budi Akbar.
Saya Muhammad Salah Rasyidi.
Definition of analytic expression tag. Expression tag is a tag that elaborate the details either about the phenomenon surrounding. Expression tag adalah teks yang menguraikan pemikiran penulis tentang peristiwa sekitarnya. Social function of this tag. Its social function is to persuade the reader that the idea is important matter. Tujuan untuk menyampaikan pembaca bahwa pemikiran itu persoalan yang penting.
The structure of analytical exposition text is thesis, position, introduces topic, and indicators writer's position, preview, outlines the main arguments to be presented. Position memperkenalkan pokok pembicaraan dan menunjukkan kedudukan penulis. Preview menguraikan uraian pokok pembicaraan yang akan disajikan. Arguments point restates main arguments outlines in preview. Elaboration develops and supports its argument. Argument point menyatakan kembali uraian pokok serta menguraikannya. Elaboration mengembangkan dan mendukung setiap pendapat. Reiteration a conclusion summing up the arguments. Reiteration kesimpulan dari pendapat. Significant lexicogrammatical features of analytical exposition text is focused on generic human and human participants, use of simple present tense, use of relation process, linking verbs, use of connectivous words that link arguments, use of internal conjunction, use of causal conjunction.
Generic human and non-human participant yang diceritakan bersifat umum. Buka kurung bisa apa saja. Tutup kurung yang penting bisa mempengaruhi pendengar. Relational process yaitu kata kerja penghubung. Connectivous ordering and evaluating firstly, secondly, after, then, finally, furthermore, ultimately, the most important, blah blah blah, another important, blah blah blah, most of all. Contrast, all talk over, whereas on the other hand, yet unlike. Comparison also in addition, as well as, neither, similarly, explaining, because, since, as, therefore, thus, hence, consequently, as the result, due to, blah blah blah.
Conclusion, we can use this expression in conclusion, blah blah blah, for the facts above, blah blah blah, 3/4. On this basis, to conclude, we state that on the word we call that from the statement. Analytical exposition, generic non-human participant, integrate page management, 3 is no, 1 page 1, why to deal with page agriculture. Pesticides are commonly used, but it may cause many problems. Combining different management operation of is the most effective way to control pests. Connectives. Firstly, the chemical in pesticides may build up as residues in the environment. This reduces the quality of farm produce. Simple present tense, as will beans can gradually become resistant to precedents. This means that new and teams strong one have to be developed. So, some persist after non-target animals such as fish and bees. This, this affects the natural plains, also aiming to completely wipe out agricultural plains may be very expensive. So sometimes damage counts links that the method of control. Lastly, understanding the ecology of the area helps a lot in pest control. Natural enemies can be used to control a pesticides, salt-based counts that don't affect the natural enemies. Causal conjunction 3 4 integrate pest management, a safe and more active option in agriculture.
Generic structure, thesis, position preview. There is no one best way to deal with pest agriculture. Pesticides are commonly used, but this may cause many problems. Combining different management operations is the most effective way to control pests. Argument 1. Point elaboration. Firstly, the chemical in pesticides may build up as residues in the environment. This reduces the quality of farm produce. Argument 2. Point elaboration. As well, pests can gradually become resistant to pesticides. This means that newer and sometimes stronger ones have to be developed. Argument 3. Point elaboration. Some pesticides affect non-target animals such as fish and bees. This affects their natural balance. Argument 4. Point elaboration. Also aiming to completely wipe out agriculture pests may be very expensive. Sometimes pest damage costs less than the method of control. Argument 5. Point elaboration. Lastly, understanding the ecology of the area helps a lot in pest control. Natural enemies can be used to control a pest. Pesticides should be cautioned that don't affect the natural enemies. Relation or conclusion. Therefore, integrated pest management is a safe and more effective option in agriculture.
Hama terpadu. Tidak ada satu cara terbaik untuk menangani hama pertanian. Pestisida yang umum digunakan, tetapi hal ini dapat menyebabkan banyak masalah. Menghubungkan manajemen operasi yang berada adalah cara yang paling efektif untuk mengendalikan hama. Pertama, senyawa kimia adalah pestisida dapat membangun sebagai residu di lingkungan. Hal ini akan mengurangi kualitas produk pertanian. Selain itu, hama secara bertahap dapat menjadi resisten terhadap pestisida. Ini berarti bahwa lebih baru dan kadang-kadang lebih kuat untuk dikembangkan. Beberapa pestisida mempengaruhi hewan non-sarasaran seperti ikan dan lebah. Ini mempengaruhi keseimbangan alam. Juga bertujuan untuk sepenuhnya menghapus hama pertanian mungkin sangat mahal. Kadang-kadang kerusakan hama bisa kurang dari metode kontrol. Terakhir, memahami ekologi daerah banyak membantu dan mengendalikan hama. Musuh alami dapat digunakan untuk mengendalikan hama. Pestisida harus dipilih yang tidak mempengaruhi musuh alami. Oleh karena itu, pengendalian hama terpadu adalah pilihan yang aman dan tepat lebih efektif di bidang pertanian.